Hello students, welcome once again. Now we are we have a fraction over here. Now this BC 2023 question 1b. So now let's look at how to go about this question. We have a fraction, and then as you can see we have a mixed fraction over here. The first thing for us to do is to change from mixed fraction to an improper fraction. So we are changing from mixed to an improper fashion, right? In this case, now how do we do that? We multiply 4 here, which is at the denominator, by the whole number here, and then we add to what is at the numerator that we see over here. So we have 4 times 1, which is 4, plus 7 plus 3 is just 7 over 4, minus 6 times 2 is 12, plus 3 we have this to be 15 over 6, and then we have 10 multiplied by 1 plus 9, we have 19 over 10, and then so this is 5. So then let me change it to 5. So we have 6 plus that 12 plus 5, so that we can have 17, and then we have plus 8 times 4 is 32. 32 plus 7 is 39 over 8 in this case, right? So you can see that we have everything in an improper fashion form. Now the next thing for us to do now is now go ahead and then simplify, right? So let's go ahead and then simplify in this case. So we can see that we have the denominators in this case to be 4, 6, 10, and 8. What we have to do is to find the lowest common factor. So it is LCM, lowest common multiple rather. Yes, lowest common multiple, LCM, lowest common multiple. That is what we are going to find in this case. Now if we take 4 and then you write the multiples of 4, 6, multiples of 6, multiples of 10, multiples of 8, now from there we are going to choose the common factors among these multiples, right? And then when we choose these common factors, the next thing for us to do is to choose the lowest common factor. In this case, the lowest common factor that we can find with 4, 6, 10, and 8 is just 120 in this case. So 4 goes into 120, we have 30. 30 multiplied by 7, we have this to be 210. Then we drop the minus here. 6 goes into 120, we have this to be 20 times, right? 20 times 17 gives us 340, and then minus 10 goes into 120, we have 12 times, right? 12 multiplied by 19 is just going to give us 228, and then 8 goes into 12 here, 20, we have 15 times. 15 multiplied by 39 here is just going to give us 585 in this case, right? Now when we compute this whole thing, 210 minus 340 minus 228 plus 585, this is basically going to give us 227 over 120 in this case, right? So we're going to have 227 over 120, which is the same as 1 number here, and then 120 multiplied by that gives us 120. Now 227 minus 120 is just going to give us 107 in this case, right? So from here we have our fraction to be, our answer to be 227 over 120, or 107 over 120. Thank you very much for joining me in this section. I hope this session was helpful. Thank you very much, and I'll see you guys in the next video.